You are going to love the 2019 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $65,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, Bose sound system, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, universal garage door opener. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.